How to block or unblock a number on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. In this video, I will show you two different methods to block a number, block a unknown number on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So first of all, open the phone app on your device. When you open phone app, you can see tap the contacts tab at the bottom right. Here you can see the list of contact. Tap on the contact you want to block. Here we select this contact. Tap the eye icon. Now tap the three dots at the bottom right. Here you can see the block contact option. Tap on it to block the contact on your device. So tap the block contact. Now you can see the pop-up. You will no longer receive any calls from this contact. Tap on a block to block the contact number on your device. So here we select the block. Now number is blocked on my device. Second method, you can use the block setting. Tap on a phone app. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap the settings. Here you can find the block numbers. Here you can see the settings. First of all, toggle on block calls from unknown numbers. Meet all unknown number or private number automatically block calls on your device. Here you can manually add phone number, like enter the number you want to block and tap on the plus icon. Now you can see add number to the block list. You can also select from the recent tab or your phone contacts to block the specific number on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. So it's quite easy to block number using these two methods. If you want to unblock a number on a Samsung S25 Ultra, just tap on the minus icon and now you can receive the calls from this number. So quite easy to block or unblock a number on a latest Samsung devices. That's it. Please like it, share it.